is Celestina Tieno, and I'm an attaché here at Atiam College. I'm a student of film and TV production. I've been here for 10 weeks now. And today we received visitors. Hi, my name is Celestine. Nice to meet you. I work at Atiam College. You're welcome here. Very nice, very nice. Okay. An attaché here at Atiam College, and I'm going to take you through the school and the facilities for you to see and to decide if you would like to join the school. Okay? Welcome. Let's go this way. And 19. As you can see here, this is how it started. Okay. When you come here, the school experienced a few number of students. The first graduation, the year 2023. Okay, the school graduated for the first time. These were the first graduates. Another class, English class. Yeah, so this is the English class, also German class, and also Kiswahili class.
Get scared of that young people.
Okay.
They know how to talk in
German.
Vocês levaram os TV? Dos vezes.
Now this is the ICT class, and I'm going to introduce to you your teacher. Okay, welcome, Mr. Nigel.
Mr. Nigel, I'm going to be taking you through some basics on a computer. What you're going to major on today is on Excel worksheets. How to create worksheet in Excel. Briefly, I'm going to be showing you on how to work with it. Okay, all of you can open your Excel application. You can open your Excel application. That's how it will look like. Excel. In Excel, okay. Yours. We can start with the first cell over here. You can write the name of the student. You can write the name of the student. On the first cell, left click on your first cell. Left click on your first cell. The first cell, left click on it. And then write the name. You use the capital letters, you use caps lock. There is a key written caps lock on the keyboard. Right? Okay. I want you to move to the cell on the right. Use your mouse. Move to the cell on the right, as you can see on the screen. On that cell, we are going to write the subject. I want you to write English on that cell as I presented it. English. You've seen how I've done it. Okay. You have it. English. You have it at the corner there. You have it. Now, I want us to use 2 to 3 names. 2 to 3 names. You can use any name of your choice. An example, I can use Ainab as my first name. Use any name. I want you to have 3 students. 3 students on the name column. Done. We have entered data in the sheet. It's called data entry. Now, we want to format that small data in a table, right? Now, what you basically want to do, we are going to select on the text that we have written. You're going to come to the name cell where you have written name, sorry. Left click and hold. Left click and hold. Left click and hold. Then drag it. Nice and easy. till the corner. That's good. You did it. You forgot your name, the name part. The name part. Why it's written styles? You are going to select on format as a table. Click on that. You are going to see a pop-up window pop. It's going to highlight on sheet 1, right? Now, I want you to name it results. Select all the way from name to English. Select all the way from name to English. I want you to go back to the home ribbon at the top left. Click on the home. Click on the home. You selected, you must select first. Select from name. From name. Left click and hold. Good.
Before you go, I'm going to tell you some few benefits of taking the course, the short-term course for computer packages. Like today, you've learned how to use computer and how to use Excel, right? Okay. When you come here for the computer packages course, you will learn how to use Word, Excel, Access, and it will help you with your schoolwork and also in future. You know, nowadays jobs are technology. Everything is upgrading, right? So when you learn the computer packages right now, it will help you in future with your works. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Mine is to appreciate Atiam so far for the work I've seen. The learners have learned, and due to the NEC project on the computer work, I'm quite optimistic that each and every learner, apart from enjoying, you have also learned. I'm Silas Ogelo, a teacher from Nurul Azhar Integrated Academy. I can say that the learners have gone back home where they have gained more than they expected.
My name is Asma and I come from Nurul Azhar Integrated School. How to do a document, a paper sheet, how to save and print.
My name is Sumaya Jama and I came from Nurul Azhar School. And to print document, save and do paper sheets.
I had great expectations and they were met. The students were very, very good. They were understanding, they were cooperative. All of them said they are coming back for some of the courses we have here.